Hi, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about adding information into Google OneDrive. Let me share the screen and we'll get on with it. By this point, you have created your Google account and you're in probably Google Drive. If you're not sure, don't forget all you need to do is click on the waffle icon. So that's the 9 dots in the top right corner of a Google browser window. So being on Google search or typing in searching for Google Drive, or you can just type in a drive.google.com, which will take you into my Drive, and hopefully you'll already be logged in. To add files or folders, there's two main ways. You can choose to upload it, which will take you through technically the longer way around, or you can click and drag things in. Your main Drive window actually shows you all of your files, so it's not specific to a particular type, for example Google Docs or Google Sheets. It shows you all the different files and therefore the different file types that are stored in your Drive. Let's make sure that we've organized everything. So the first thing you might want to do, especially if you think that you're going to need to have several files, is create a new folder. The easiest way to do that is over here on the left hand side. We've got the new button. As you click on it, your very first option is folder. So I'm just going to click folder and I'm just going to call it Google, because why not, to be honest. Whatever file name you want, folder name that you want, absolutely fine. Let's just click create. It will create it, and don't forget everything in your Drive is going to be alphabetical. So mine is there under G for Google. The easiest way to make sure that something goes into the right location is to basically go there first. So if I double click on the Google folder, I go into that folder and you can see, of course, it's just created, so there's no files here. I can drop the files in there, or I can use the new button. So as it suggests, let's use the new button. Click new, and now I've got a choice to upload either a specific or individual files, or I can choose an entire folder. So I'm going to choose file upload. And now, of course, the fun bit is I have to know where my file actually is. So I did put it somewhere safe, which was my practice files. And let's choose the random text and just say open. Down in the bottom right hand corner, it will actually show you that it's uploading. These are all small files just for ease and simplicity. And then when they're done, you can see it gives me a green tick when I'm not hovering over it. Quick and easy like that. My second choice is I can click and drag. So if it's something you've been working with recently and it's in your space, again, let me go back to my practice files. So this will either be in Windows File Explorer or Apple's Finder, whichever operating system you prefer, and then find your file and click and drag it in. It tells me that I'm copying it, and it does the same thing. I've added the second file in and it's all there for me. So really nice and quick and easy. Whichever way you prefer is the right way to do it. If you need to go up a level, well, this is a web browser. We can choose to either click the back button if it lets you, because don't forget, if you've just gone straight in here, it might not be available. But we've also got what's called the breadcrumb trail. So this says that under my Drive, I'm now in a folder called Google. To return back to my Drive, I just need to click on it. That can be a much easier way to do it if you want to jump up several levels and instead of going back and back one step at a time. The other thing that we can do is if you have put files just in the top level, so under my Drive, we can also choose to just click and drag, and you can see it does that for me, and I can simply just drag it and move it into the relevant folder that I want. So you can add files and you can organize them however you prefer. And that's it for today's session. I'm going to stop sharing. Remind you to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring that bell to make sure that you get told of new videos as I post them. That's it for me. Bye for now.